everyone, Tim Foten with John Sinclair Nissan. I have a 2020 Mazda CX-5 Touring. This one is all-wheel drive. Got new tires on it.
Matt Birkenmeyer, phone call line 2. Matt Birkenmeyer, phone call line
front here. 4 cameras. Proximity sensors for the key, so you just have to have the key in your pocket to enter in. Also, I don't know if you can see it there, but you do have a blind spot mirror. So blind spot mirrors light up amber whenever someone's in your blind spot to let you know they're there. This one has adaptive cruise control. Lane keep alert, so if you veer out of your lane, going over 35 miles per hour, it will beep at you to let you know that you're veering out of your lane. Got heated seats, power seat, backup camera, automatic climate control, push button start, automatic front headlamps, traction control. Here's a look at the rear seat. Vents for the rear passengers. Plenty of cargo room for spare. If you guys have any questions on this one, leave me a comment or send me a message.